Wake up, everybody! It's 5:49 a.m. every f***ing morning. Ugh. I wish I was Porkins and got slaughtered yesterday. He was one lucky pig. If you're sleeping, you're wasting precious daylight. Cock-a-diddly-doodly-doo-dah! I warned you about waking me up at the crack of dawn. But if not me, then who? Got a phone with a heavy metal alarm that nudges me awake ever so gently. Wow! My ears! Ooh, forgot to snooze it. Now go on and get. But this is all I know. This is who I am. I need this. I've said my piece. Now go on and get before I pluck your feathers out. Now I can finally enjoy the luxury of waking up to screamo metal heavy scream.
Just make us bacon and end our agony.